Join me as I whip up some homemade dog food and see if I can get my pup's tail wagging like never before. In this video, you'll learn how to make delicious homemade dog food that not only satisfies their taste buds but also promotes their health and happiness. Many dog owners struggle to find nutritious, tasty food options that their pets will love, often leading to picky eaters and unhealthy diets. We've all been there, standing in the pet food aisle, overwhelmed by the endless options, wondering which one is really best for our furry friends. The labels can be so confusing, with ingredient lists that sound like a chemistry experiment gone wrong. And don't even get me started on the preservatives and additives that can be detrimental to our dog's health. As a responsible pet owner, it's heartbreaking to see our once energetic companions slowed down by digestive issues or skin problems. That's why making the switch to homemade dog food can be a game changer. Picky eaters can be especially challenging, as they often develop strong preferences for certain textures or flavors. But with homemade dog food, you can tailor the recipes to your dog's unique tastes and dietary needs. By using fresh, wholesome ingredients, you can ensure that your dog is getting the nutrients they need to thrive. And the best part, you can do it all without breaking the bank. With just a few simple ingredients and some easy-to-follow recipes, you can create a culinary masterpiece that your dog will love. I've seen so many dog owners struggle to find the perfect food for their pets, and it's amazing how a simple change in their diet can make all the difference. Not only will your dog's taste buds thank you, but you'll also notice improvements in their energy levels, coat health, and overall well-being. You'll explore various easy-to-make recipes using fresh, wholesome ingredients that are safe for dogs, along with tips on balancing their diet for optimal health. From hearty stews to crunchy biscuits, we'll dive into the world of homemade dog food and explore the endless possibilities. By using ingredients like sweet potatoes, carrots, and green beans, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that your dog will devour. One of the best things about homemade dog food is the flexibility it offers. You can customize the recipes to fit your dog's individual needs, whether they're dealing with food allergies or sensitivities. And by making small batches, you can ensure that your dog is getting the freshest ingredients possible. No more wondering what's really in that commercial dog food. With homemade recipes, you're in control. By incorporating a variety of ingredients, you can create a balanced diet that covers all the nutritional bases. From protein-rich meats to fiber-rich veggies, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your dog's body and soul. And the best part? It's surprisingly easy. With just a few simple recipes, you can create a culinary rotation that will keep your dog engaged and excited. The highlight will be demonstrating one of the most popular recipes, showing how simple it is to prepare and how much your dog will enjoy it, complete with tail-wagging reactions. Today, we're making a delicious chicken and sweet potato recipe that's sure to be a hit with your furry friend. With just a few ingredients and some easy-to-follow instructions, you can create a meal that's both healthy and delicious. And don't worry if you're not a skilled chef, I'll walk you through every step of the way. As you watch your dog devour their homemade meal, you'll be amazed at the joy and excitement on their face. It's a moment that's hard to put into words, but it's a feeling of pure love and connection. And that's what homemade dog food is all about, creating a deeper bond with your pet through the power of food. The reaction is priceless, that wagging tail, those sparkling eyes, the little nuzzles and snuggles. It's a reminder that our dogs are so much more than just pets, they're beloved members of our family. And by taking the time to prepare healthy, homemade meals, we're showing them just how much we care. To wrap up, you'll summarize the benefits of homemade dog food, reiterating how it enhances your dog's happiness and health. By making the switch to homemade dog food, you're giving your dog the gift of optimal health, energy, and vitality. It's a decision that will have a lasting impact on their quality of life, and one that they'll thank you for every day. Encourage viewers to try out the recipes, share their dog's reactions in the comments, and subscribe for more pet-friendly cooking tips.